Turn on or off employer on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off employer on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First then go to your Facebook app and then click on those three lines up there. And now click on the setting icon beside the search icon up there and click on privacy checkup. And here click on your ad preference on Facebook, and now click on continue and click on next, and now click on employer to turn on or off this option. And this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.